My background is geotechnical engineering, and my main research focus is concerned with soil stabilization and ground improvements. And we came across an exciting discovery of using bacteria for soil stabilization, which mimics the naturally occurring sedimentary rocks like sandstone and limestone. The current practice of ground improvements is using Portland cement, which is responsible for about 8 to 10% of the CO2 emission. In my research, I use biological rather than chemical stabilization, which is more sustainable and environmentally friendly. This is one of the soil samples in which we use bio-cementation to stabilize it, and you can see how strong is it. I'm very excited about these results. When this exciting bio-cementation technology will be applied in real applications, it will lead to more reliable, sustainable, cost-effective and environmentally friendly soil stabilization. The next stage of my research is taking bio-cementation from the lab scale to the field scale and real applications, enabling the commercial widespread adoption of this green and promising technology.